Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, we have studied about plants around us. Right children? We have seen different kinds of plants. Let us recall the topic once again. So in the previous class, we have learned how to differentiate the different kinds of plants. How many kinds of plants are there, children? Five types. Now, first one we will call it as trees. They are big. Can you see here? Mango tree, coconut tree, all this? Yes, these are the first category. Now, second one we have seen about herbs. See here, grass, small plants like mint plants, all these are herbs. They'll be having weak stem, right children? They'll be having some green and soft stem. Green and soft stem. We will call them as herbs. Now, we have also seen about shrubs. They are bushy. Can you see here? Yes, chrysanthemum and also some bushes here. All these are, see here, rose. All these are categorized into, yes, shrubs because they are woody and they are somewhat tall when compared to herbs. Now, third category we have seen about climbers, right children? Climbers. Climbers generally take the support. Climbers generally take the support of sticks or walls. You can see here bottle gourd and also you can see here bitter gourd. All these are climbers because they are climbing, right? Now last category we have seen about creepers. They'll be creeping on the ground, right children? Yes. So we have seen about plants are divided into big plants, small plants. So big plants will call it as trees and small plants again categorized into four types. Shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers. Right children? Now everyone got an idea how to differentiate different kinds of plants. Now everyone understood? Do you know how to categorize? Yes. I hope everyone know how you can categorize shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers. I hope everyone know. Yes, children, let us carry on. See here, if you see the trees, they'll be having trunk. See here, they are very tall and strong. Now herbs, they are bushy. Their stems are woody. Can you see here? Yes. And you know about rose, right? They'll be having thorns. And if you see hibiscus, yes, the stem is really woody, right? Now see here herbs. See the stem is very soft and green color, right? If you see mint, coriander, spinach, all these are herbs. Now see here climbers. Climbers are climbing with the support of tree or walls or any sticks. With any support they can climb. Your bitter gourd, bottle gourd, grapevine, money plant, all these are best examples for climbers, right? Have you all recalling the topic? Now see here creepers. Now they'll be creeping along the ground. For example, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon, all these are best examples for your creepers. Yeah, children. All these we have seen in the previous class. Can you recall this? Yes. See here all the shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Have you all seen this? Yes. Now we got an idea about all different kinds of plants. Now let us see about roots. Okay, children? So, first, before going to the roots, let us see about parts of the plant. So we have climbers, creepers, shrubs and trees around us. Some of them gives us flowers and some gives wood and some others gives us fruits, etc. Right, children? So you know about climbers, creepers, all the different kinds of plants. Now, how the flowers, how the wood, how the fruits are coming from. Do you know all these parts? Let us see the parts of plant. Okay. Now see here parts of plant. Let us see here. First from the roots let us discuss. Now these roots are under the ground or under the soil. Yes, children. So for example, this is the ground. Under the ground or under the soil, you will see the roots. Above the ground, you will see the stem. Okay. So here two types of systems are there, children. You should know, that is root system and this stem arising. Can you see this stem? So this from here to here we will call it as shoot system. Root system, shoot system. Now root system will be below the ground and shoot system will be above the ground. Understood, children? So let us see. Now roots will be below the ground and see here stems. Can you see the main stem? Yes, this is the main stem. This is above the ground. Now, can you see here branches? These are the branches. These are the branches. Now, this is the stem. And after that, can you see this green color part? Yes, these are leaves. These are leaves. Now, can you see here fruit? Yes, this is a fruit. Here few flowers are there. These are flowers. Can you see small birds? These are bird. Okay, bud. These are bud. Now these birds will convert into flowers. Again, these flowers will slowly convert into fruits. So all these you will study in your higher classes. Okay, children? So today let us see the parts of plant. That is roots, stem, leaves, branches, flower, bud, fruits. So I hope everyone know about the parts of the plant. Okay, children? You can observe any plant and you can describe the roots, stems, leaves, flowers. Just go out and observe it. Okay, children? Now let us continue the class. Now see here, observe the plant given below. See the plant given in the picture. So what are its parts? Now only we have seen in a picture, right children? Yes, we know about all these parts. Generally, plants have roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Among these, roots are below the soil. See here, this is a soil. Below the soil, we can see the roots. Now, above the soil, you will see stem, leaves, flowers. They are above the soil. These are the main parts. Okay, children? Now, see here. Collect the flowering plant from your school premises or at home and observe. Okay? Compare this plant with the plant given in the picture. So some will bear flowers, children, and some they cannot have the flowers. Okay, just like crotons, all these things. So all these variations you will study in your higher classes. But the main parts, that is roots, stem, leaves, are common to all the plants. Okay, children. Now let us see about roots. So you have already learned that plants have roots. Each one of you collect paddy, jowar, chili and cotton plants with roots. So already I have collected and have kept here, children. Just to see this. Observe them and draw the diagrams. So you will be having page number 46. There you will be having blanks. Okay. There what you have to do in these boxes, just try to observe the roots and then draw. Draw the roots of paddy, jowar, chili and also cotton. Let us observe the roots. See here children, roots are of different types. Now see here, paddy roots. Can you see here small hair-like substances? Can you see here? Yes, these are roots. Now jowar also is having same kind of roots, just like fiber. Right children? Just like fiber. Now see here, here the roots are different. Right? Can you identify the difference here? Yes, here the roots are fibrous, but here the roots are different. See here you can see main stem and you can see arising secondary roots. Same here to the cotton plants, it is also same thing. See here? Yes, it is a main root and to the main root you can see some rootlets, okay? Secondary roots and rootlets. So this is a cotton plant, this is a chili plant. So mostly this both chili and cotton is having same type of root system. Right children? Same type of root system. Any difference here? No, maximum it is same. But if you see here, roots of paddy and jowar, they are also same. But if you compare with chili roots and also this cotton roots, are they same? Are they same? No, there are some differences. Let us see what are these differences. Are roots also having any different kinds of roots? Or it is divided into different kinds of roots? Let us see. See, once again, let us observe here. See, observe it carefully. Just like fiber. Can you see these roots? They are just like fibers. That is paddy roots and also jowar roots. Just like hairs and also like fibers, right? Now, if you see this cotton, they'll be having main stem and also some main roots and also secondary roots. So root system is different here when compared to paddy and jowar. Now see here chili, it is also having main roots and also having secondary roots. So both the root systems are same here. Here also both are same, but they are different from cotton and paddy. So by this what you understood children? Yes. So mainly the roots are divided into two types. One is fibrous root system, other one is yes, tap root system. Let us see these different kinds of root systems. See here, types of roots. So mainly they are divided into two types. In your higher classes, you will see about aerial roots, adventitious roots. Okay, but now just learn two types of roots. Okay, children. So let us see. So how many types of root systems are there, children? Two types. See here, tap root system. Another one is fibrous root system. So here we have observed that is main root. For this main root, you can see secondary roots and you can see some hair-like projections, right? These are rootlets. These are rootlets. So main stem. So taproot system is nothing but the roots which have main stem and secondary stems and rootlets. We will call it as taproot system. Okay, children, these are new terms you are studying now for the first time. Now, if you see here, fibrous roots. So they are just like fibers, just like hair. Can you see here? Yes, can you see any main stem special roots? Can you see any main roots here? Can you see any main roots? No, just like hair. So these are fibrous roots, fibrous roots. Now tell me, here you have observed about paddy and jowar. Now, paddy or jowar comes under which type of root system, children? Yes, fibrous root system. Now, you have seen chili and cotton, right? So, they comes under which type of which type of root system? Taproot system. See here once again. So, these are fibrous root system and these are taproot system. Now, understood, children? So there are two types of root systems, that is fibrous root system, example paddy, jowar and so many other examples also there, children. Let us discuss later. Now see here cotton roots and also chili roots. They have taproot system. They have taproot system. And you can also see adventitious root system. That one we'll discuss it later. Now see here one more example, taproot system. See one main stem, main root, and for this main root you will be having yes secondary roots. Now see here for grass you can see fibrous root system, just like fibers. There is no main root. There is no main root. But here in the taproot they have a main root and also secondary roots will be present. Okay children, now did you understand today's concept? That is about different types of root systems. Okay, now see here, what is this tree, children? This is banyan tree and see the roots. Yes, they are aerial, right? They are aerial. See the root system, special type of root system. Have you ever seen banyan tree? We have one banyan tree in our school. Have you seen? Yes. Roots, we can observe the roots that are outside the stem. This is special type. Okay. Now see here, Hemant wondered how the roots of the neem tree in his backyard reached the wall of his house. See here, backyard he has a neem plant. But slowly what happened, these roots, they just reached the walls of his house. How is it possible? Because roots in search of water, slowly it will grow and it will enter inside the soil. Okay, so slowly it will spread its secondary roots and also rootlets. By this, so in search of water, they will grow under the ground into the soil. So they'll slowly reach the different kinds of places in search of water. Because why the roots wants what why the roots are completely spreading under the soil, children? Why? Because to absorb the water and also nutrients. To absorb the water. So without the water, the plant will grow, children? No, it will die. So what these plants will do, big trees and plants, what they will do? Slowly these roots will enter into the soil and they will search for the water, and with the help of these secondary roots, slowly it will absorb the water and it will send to the stems. From stems it will send to the branches, and from the branches slowly it will send to the leaves. Okay children, in this lesson we are going to learn very interesting topics, that is how the water will be absorbed by the roots. So today briefly we will study only about the roots. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about the stem and also leaves. They are very interesting, children. So every day we are watching many different kinds of plants, right? Plants, trees, everything we are observing. So you should be wonder how all these roots are reaching the walls or footpath or some other places. And you should be also getting doubt. In the forest, who are pouring water to the plants? How, children? All this we will discuss. Okay. Now see here. Generally roots, they will enter into the deep into the soil, and also they'll absorb the water which is present there. So generally in the rainy season you will see all the water will be absorbed into the soil, right children? So slowly these roots will try to hold that water and absorb it, and slowly it will send to the all parts of the plant. Okay, and now if you see in the forest, and also you have seen, so on the road side you will see the trees. So who is pouring water to them? Yes, how? So they are entering into the deep into the soil through roots, and slowly they will absorb the water and then they will do their process. Right children? Now understood? How roots are very important? Not only for this, roots are very important for the support of the plant to stand erect. Now see here, root is a part of the plant that grows beneath the soil. They grow beneath. Beneath means under, under the soil. So do you know how the roots are useful? Just like foundation gives support to the house. So in order to construct the house, you need basement, right children? Support, basement, that is foundation. So on the basement, you will construct the house. Same way, the roots in the soil gives support to the plants to stand erect. Now see here, plants absorb water and nutrients through the roots. So how the plants will absorb water? Through the roots. So roots are very, very important. Now you understood children what are the functions of roots? Now see here functions of roots. Anchor plant in ground. See here, this is a ground. Anchoring means they are helping in the holding the soil into the soil. For holding the soil, who? Roots. Slowly they will enter into the soil. They'll hold. They will hold inside the soil. By that, what happened? The plant will stand erect. The plant will stand erect. If there is no root system, what happens? The stem will fall down. The stem will fall down. Right, children? Did you understood? That is, in order to helping the plant to stand erect or stand straight, these roots are important. Okay, anchor plant in ground. Anchor plant in ground. Now see here, observes minerals and water from the soil. So from the soil, they will absorb water and also minerals. That is why children, you have to pour water to the plants. And soil also should be good with minerals such that the plant will grow nicely and they'll give beautiful flowers and also sweet fruits. Understood, children? Yes. Now, third function, that is storage of food. They stores the food. Now you have seen the children, carrots. They are coming from the roots, beetroot, radish. So all these are sweet potato. Now see here, this radish, carrot, beetroot, all these are good example for roots. So they are the root stored food. So here the food is storing in where, children? Roots. So for few roots they will store the food. You know very well example, that is carrot, beetroot. Right, children? Yes, they will store the food also. Now how many functions you have studied now about roots? Yes, anchor plant in ground, absorbs minerals and water from the soil. Third one, storage of food. So these are the three functions of the roots. Now we have studied now types of roots. Fibrous root system, that is dense tangled mess. Dense tangled mess you will be seeing. So this is called as fibrous root system. Now for example, grass, corn, onions. Now only we have seen paddy and also java. Good examples for fibrous root system. Now if you see taproot system, yes. Can you see here taproot system? Yes, this is a taproot. This is a main root. For this main root, you can see this secondary rootlets. So this is good example for taproot system. One long thick root and you will be seeing secondary rootlets and also roots. So this is for taproot system. Yes. Now for the taproot system, we have seen, children, carrot, dandelions. All these are good examples. Now, have you understood about this topic, children? Today what we have learned? We have learned about different types of root systems, fibrous root system, taproot system, and also we have seen about functions of roots. Right, children? Is it clear? Everyone understood well? Yes, children, you have to learn well, listen carefully and try to learn new things. Okay? Thank you, children. Take care.